So all adeniums, you all understand now, you have to flower throughout the year. My mother should not go outside to buy the flowers. You have to give flowers for puja purpose. So really I am going to miss. Niriam, I have bought you from Kadiyam, okay? Kadiyam is very well-known nursery in the world. To keep your name because you are from Kadiyam, so you have to flower like the Kadiyam flowering, okay? Welcome to Nature and Nature Bar. Today I am leaving India and moving to Milan, Italy for my higher education. So I thought to share my love and my feelings towards the nature, because really I am going to miss all this nature in Italy, because I know that that is a temperate climate, and I am not going to see all these species which are here in Europe. So I thought to talk with plants, because you know that as anyone moving away from their love, it's something like heartbreaking, and it's feeling shame to me because I'm going away from my nature. And I know that there will be also a nature, but that is totally different, because I am not going to get all these familiar plants, familiar species, familiar nature to there. There will be new plants, so I have to introduce to them. So it will be somewhat difficult to adjust with that new nature, new environment, but I will try to introduce as a nature boy there also. Adenium plants, and we are friends since 4 years, because I bought it from my college. So Adenium, I am leaving you, so you have some responsibility, okay? And listen, I don't want any excuse, okay? I want you to flower throughout the year, even summer, winter, rainy season, monsoon, every season I want to flower, see you as a flowering, okay? Because I don't want to see any excuse from you that this is winter season, you want to go in dormancy period. No, you have to flower and you have to act like a desert, okay? So this is the responsibility. No one going to take, even though if no one is watering you even till 1 week or 1 month, you have to survive. You have to survive and act like a desert plant, okay?
Nature boy, don't worry. Our love is so strong because our love doesn't have any religion. You go, study and come.
Niriam, I have bought you from Kadiyam, okay? Kadiyam is very well-known nursery in the world. So you have to flower throughout the year in order to, your flower should be used in puja purpose, okay? So you have to keep your name because you are from Kadiyam. So you have to flower like the Kadiyam flowering, okay?
Nature boy, even we too miss you, but we can't do anything. All the best for your bright future.
Bougainvillea, I think I will not get you in Europe because that is a cool temperature, okay? I think, and you are the hot climate loving plant. So I am going to really miss you in Europe. So don't worry. Again I will come and I want to see you, okay? In these 2 years you have to survive. Whatever happen, you have to survive and you have to give your flower like this, okay? So I will miss you because I will not see you in Europe. So thank you. Miss you, Bougainvillea. Okay. Hey, fashion flower, you're too small, okay? So no one is going to take care. You have to stand on yourself. Only water will be given to you, okay? No extra food, anything. So you have to survive on water and whatever you are getting nutrients from the soil. So don't expect, okay, another extra food. So you have to survive and you have to give fruit within 2 months, okay? Because you are so important plant. You are a air purifier and #1 air purifier in the world, both indoor and outdoor. So I have kept you outside. So your role is you have to purify the air. Whatever the bad airs are coming, you have to purify and again send inside the house. So don't forget your role, okay? So now let's see. Let's say money plant, variegated money plant. Even you too also, your role is also very important because you also well-known air purifier in the world. I think you need some special care, so don't worry, my mother will give you whatever you want, like water and additional nutrients, vermicompost she will give, so don't worry, but don't forget your role, okay? You have to act on your role, you have to purify the airs and you have to shine like that.